Here I have iPad 10th generation, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the camera settings, and here you have to enable scan QR codes feature. Like, you should have this feature enabled by default, but in case if you accidentally disable it or if you disable it on purpose, you go here, you enable it, and now you can just scan any QR codes with camera like this. So let's take for example this one, and as you can see, as soon as my device spots this QR code, it suggests me to open this page in Edge, because I have Edge set up in as my default browser for some reason, but yeah, that's how you can open it. And as you can see, that this is which page being encoded into this QR code, so that's how you can easily access it just by scanning this QR code. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.